Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Bronco. Ford Bronco. Interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power, and is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, braking assist, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.